Hello to the 5 people that watch me on here. Today I'm going to be restoring the headlights using this. It's some product I've seen someone use from Japan, so give it a try. It looked pretty good. I also want to try do some stuff to my seats. I might do it, I might not. It's just to make it hug you a bit more, because everyone that has a Subaru knows the seat pushes you out like that when it should really go like that, so it's more like of a nicer feel to it. First of all, I need to wash and wax my car because it's looking pretty sorry for itself. So this is being dropped on the floor. This is my old oil pickup pipe. This is the reason why my engine blew up. Basically, that snapped off the top, which stopped it getting any oil, causing it to get rod knock. But on the bright side, I've now got a forged engine, so it's going to last a bit longer, so that's happy days. The car is wet. The car is soapy. The car is wet. The car is dry. And that, ladies and gentlemen, that's how you wash a car. So the car's now waxed, it's time to make a start on these headlights. Straight out the box, it looks like the product has been leaking. And that is correct, it's been leaking. Mint. Try to get rid of some of this clouding. From my understanding, I'll just put a big dollop on that, wipe it on the headlight, and then wipe it off. I'll see how that goes now. So the cloth started to go yellow. Headlight still got product on. I'll see how it goes when it goes back to normal. Is it worth its money? I don't know. I mean, it's a bit better if you come in closer. I'm not sure if this is the headlight itself, because it seems to be like cracked. Well, yeah, it's cracked. That's it. Yeah, I think it's done its job. 20 quid well. Right, so for the money spent, which was £20, I'd say it's worth it. It took me 10 minutes to do, so it's a lot easier than using the likes of it. Is it Maguire's that do a headlight restoration kit? That's easier, cheaper and better. Simple as. I'm just about to start recording. What the fuck? Right, time to make my seats comfy. I've already undone this. Unluckily for me, I have a Forester, so I don't have the zip that goes up there to make it a lot easier for me. There's a clip that goes under there, so that clips over there like that. You literally just pull this down and it should pop out. And you can see where you want to be. These springs here, they just need pulling out a bit. Because if you see that, that's why Subaru seats, how that comes out here, then back into your back. That's why Subaru seats are so uncomfortable. Right, time to make. It's going to be hard to film and show, so what you do is you get a towel, wrap it around the spring, and then you just pull at them so like to loosen off outwards, and that should eventually make your seat comfier. I've now done one of the springs so I can show you what I mean. This one here, I can't get my finger behind. This one here, I now can. You look up, don't know how well you can see that, but it's just basically pulling the springs away from the foam, which will make you more like you're sitting in the seat rather than you're pushed out of it. So I'm going to try show you what I mean. I've wrapped this towel around this just to save it hurting your hands. Then you just pull, pull, and pull. You keep doing that. It hasn't done anything yet, but you keep going along all the springs and that'll pull it out. As you can see, more movement, oh fuck's sake, and that'll make your seat comfy. Moving on to the driver's side now. If you're like me and you don't like having your seat moved, here's a little life hack. I'll just pause it so I can do it and then you'll see. There you go, you can now move your seat. And you don't have to worry because you can just line them back up again. And that's to modify the seats of a Subaru Forester, well, any old Subaru really. I've just slid my seat back into the correct place, as you can see. Tape's lined back up, get rid of that, and we are done. If you're into Subarus and stuff like that, please give me a like and subscribe. I might do a few Honda videos every now and then still. I've sold my Honda, but my mates will have Hondas, so yeah, you never know. It's been quite a productive day, but I still haven't turned the car on for the video, so let's have a bit of a cold start. I literally just finished filming for the day, then I thought, you know what, I'm going to superguard my car. If you know what this is, you know how good it is. I've already waxed my car, but an extra layer of protection doesn't hurt anyone. So basically all you do is stab a few holes in there, rub it on top of your car, over all the paint. It's basically just like wax in a sense, then you buff it off with microfiber cloth. I won't bother filming it, but hopefully I'll be able to show you a nice result when it's finished. So I've stabbed that and you just squeeze it like so. Hopefully should start coming through. There we are. And you just rub that across your paint. Apply to a few panels at a time, then wipe it off. And that's it, wiped off. So this is the overall result of a full day basically spent on the car. And I'm pretty happy with it.